तेरी वर्दी है टाइट तुझे करता हूँ लाइक तेरी क्यूट सा वो बाल जो हो गया है वाइट तेरी घनी बातों का रहूँगा मैं फैन सौम्या मेरी सैम मेरे दिल का तू चैन। आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। बेसिकली आई एम अ रैपर आई एम प्लेइंग अ रैपर कॉल्ड मैड ई सो मैड ई बट हिज रियल नेम इज मनोहर दहिया ही इज इन लव विद सौम्या दैट्स लारा दत्ता's character.
So we're ready for the 25th day of the shoot and makeup and hair is now ready. Soumya Shukla reporting for duty.
Basically, my name is Rajesh Lalta and I'm playing a character whose name is Shantanu Jha. तो शांतनु झा एक बहुत ही सिंगल माइंडेड फोकस्ड बंदा है, एम्बिशियस बंदा है और फिर नेत्रा आती है उसकी जिंदगी में।
वेटिंग फॉर शांतनु। देखो शांतनु क्या कर रहा है, चिल कर रहा है।
He's a Jat. He stays in Bombay, Mumbai, but he still has that tonation of क्या करने लग रहे से भाई। ओ भाई गुड नाइट चल काम है।
It's been pretty amazing. I think playing Soumya for me has been vastly different from anything else that I've done on screen.
He hasn't seen wealth in his life growing up. उसे पैसा नहीं देखा है ग्रो अप करते करते, उसे थोड़ा संघर्ष करके वो आगे बढ़ा है। So for him right now it's basically he just wants to make it big. उसको अपना नाम कमाना है और अपने काम को लेकर उसको नाम कमाना है।
काम नहीं चला सकते क्या मेरे बिना? सबको अंकल से पूछ लो, मैं वाला पैसा हैंडल कर देंगे। और आप मुझे कभी कॉल करना जब तुम मर ना गया हो।
He is very fond of Netra.
She's a tough cookie to play, a tough nut to crack. So I think on a daily basis, just trying to make sure that we kind of convey, at least to our audience, exactly what this very complicated character is all about.
When I saw the audition scenes, they were brilliant. As in, I think I must have tested four scenes and all four were very good. And I was very excited कि भाई मतलब अगर ऐसा कैरेक्टर करने को मिल जाएगा तो because I think अगर if the writing is good then everything else gets taken care of. So for me the writing of the show is fantastic. There are a lot of conflicts, there are a lot of layers of every character.
My character here is the one which keeps coming in off, especially the chunk of in the office.
मैं अनिकेत नाम का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ। अनिकेत एक ऐसा बंदा है कि जो एक चौल में रहता है, महाराष्ट्रियन है और जो हर एक बंदे को अपनी स्कीम चिपकाता है।
My name is Bhuvnesh Shetty. I play the character of Vilas, who is Netra and Chipu's father. Vilas has taken an early retirement after losing his wife, leading to me having no interest in anything.
So he has basically posters all over his house. So when you enter the house, there's Eminem, there is Rafi Saab, and there is Baba Sehgal.
ये मेरा लिविंग रूम है, शांतनु झा का लिविंग रूम, जहाँ पर सेटअप हो रहा है फॉर अ वेरी कूल एक्शन सीक्वेंस।
I absolutely love shooting action sequences and as an actor I've always done my own stunts as well. So it's, well, I shot for the first time in this show a 9mm, which is a pretty heavy gun, and but it was great fun. We had a great stunt team.
पौने पौने ढोल बरौने लंबे पौने ढोल बरौने लंबे हो गए सारे पौने सबने कर लिए जादू पौने तू ही रह गया चिल्लर चार लग गई बात। बहुत ही गंदे रैप बनाता है लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस लड़के में बहुत है।
आजू-बाजू रहना है, दुनिया को पढ़ना है, 100 नंबर डायल करके अपनी बात रखना है, चौंकना है, हो जा चौंकना, चौंकना गाना तो बजाओ. That's Maddie.
It's interesting. It's the first time I had 3 directors, and the briefing was not always on the same line, but in the end, we found a solution and come back to our project.
And she sings, "Arey dhapre ke paas jana," and she goes down. So the frame is remaining here.
Every person, Tahir, Ashutosh, Ruchi, all 3 of them have different ideas, different, probably ways to approach things. So that makes it interesting because as an actor, you get many more choices. मतलब आप ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं. So in that sense, it was very helpful because supposing, like you thought to play the scene a particular way and one director thought this way, but probably, the others may have thought कि नहीं लोग ऐसे tweak करेंगे, ऐसे कुछ करेंगे, it'll make it more interesting or it'll add to the vision of the story. So it was fantastic.
That layer should come in. That you're trying also to be like.
करते हैं. That's just.
सौम्या मैडम सही है.
Okay.
That way. Like this? Yeah, because you know hit her. She was woman. Dress चोरी की है, smuggling नहीं कर रही है वो.
I loved working with all the 3 directors. In fact, all 3 of them did direct me in my few scenes. But I think the most patient and the most maneuvering, the guidance force you could say is Ruchi ji, and she really helped me because if she perceived a certain way the performer of that character, she made sure that I reached there.
This is the woman who's making me do all this.
I'm an angel, and
She's
if
an angel.
anything
She's an
bad
angel, she
is
comes from
happening in the
Bandra.
show, or anyone is doing anything
There are 2 more
immoral,
people.
it's got nothing to do
Yeah,
with
so she does all the right things, and there are 2 more people, the 2 devils. So this is one of them.
I do the wrong things.
He does all the wrong things.
Absolutely.
There's another guy who we hired to be an actor on the show, and he just turned out to be the producer and the director of the show. Here he is. See, sir arrives always late. Sir has his own personal mug.
Lara, say something while you're doing your makeup.
But tell her.
She's in character right now, disturb na karo.
Tahir is anyway. Such a funny guy. I love him.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to meet the most hard-working member of the set. He works harder than all the set members combined. That's us, direction team, production team, art team, all the team combined, and all the other hard-working people of the world combined. He is the one and only sound designer of our film. You gotta meet Mr. Rahul.
I'm Rahul Chai and I'm the sound mixer for this project, this beautiful Project 100. And yeah, it's going pretty well. So we are shooting about 60-65 days of sync sound, and it's really challenging task.
Cut.
I mean, we've shot in so many places, real locations around Mumbai. A lot of them that in the 25 years that I've lived in Mumbai, I've never seen in my life.
No jump, no jump.
Hey, no jump. Hey, wait, no jump. Wait. फिर सौम्या आई नीचे से, सौम्या एंड पेन से आए. फिर ये conversation हो रहा है. In middle of this all chaos, then there is a proper serious conversation.
Ashu is amazing. He's really serious, and I really appreciate his work. Ruchi is also damn serious and chill. So yeah, pretty cool set to be around.
She gives Ashirwad and these guys give pyar.
बस इसमें है हमारा संसार.
रिंकू के साथ बहुत सीन थे मेरे, मज़े आए. रिंकू के साथ पहले दोस्ती अच्छी हुई. वो पहले भी हम लोग एक दूसरे को पहचानते थे, तो फिर वो बॉन्डिंग थोड़ा काम में आया. बॉन्डिंग की वजह से सीन अच्छे हुए हमारे.
I actually met Rinku for the first time almost only on set because I obviously knew that she had been cast as Netra Patil. But the first time that I met her was the first reading that we did for the show. And I was really surprised because she was much, much tinier than I expected her to be and a lot younger. But I think the fabulous thing about Rinku is that she's truly blessed in this lifetime with a gift that very, very few artists are blessed with. And that is to be absolutely, completely natural in front of the camera.
तेरा था क्या?
नहीं तो क्या?
अरे तो पहले बताना था ना मुझे, मैं करता ही नहीं है सब।
हाँ मैं तो अनाउंसमेंट करती रहती है ना जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम।
देखो अब सॉरी, अब मैं
अब सॉरी बोलने से क्या होगा, मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम तो खराब कर दिया ना।
नहीं सुन, मैंने कुछ नहीं खराब किया तेरा। ये पैसे कितने पूरे हैं?
काउंट करती है। रखेगी किधर? पिछवी
क्या पिछवी?
प्लास्टिक बाहर।
So without having to make much of an effort to act out a scene or to perform, so she's a natural born performer, and it genuinely is a gift that you're born with. And she's been really easy to work with, really fun. She's a really sweet little girl, and I think the juxtaposition between the strong, very dominating character that Soumya is and the very sort of live for the moment character that Netra is, I think that's been captured really well through this show.
Cut. It's very good.
Also just being able to work with fantastic actors like Makhan, who's playing Sattu.
मैडम एनकाउंटर करने आए क्या?
अंदर कुछ है ही
And just the ensemble cast that we've had, the actors that play Mule or Sole, let's say, just wonderful, amazing Marathi actors, and it's been a genuine pleasure to work with them.
क्रू बहुत ज़्यादा है तो फिर वो भी चीज़ें हैं। दिन में ज़्यादा सीन नहीं करते हम लोग, थोड़े सीन करते हैं लेकिन बहुत कंसंट्रेट करके काम करते हैं कि नहीं यार ये चाहिए ये चाहिए ये चाहिए। फिर वो एक टेक लगे 10 लगे या 22 लगे वो हम लेके आते हैं, वो लेके आते हैं डायरेक्टर्स।
I like walking and talking scenes, so I think there's a walking and talking scene which I do with Netra when I'm first going towards her house, to her house. So I think that scene is great. Steady camera going and you're also walking and talking. I like that.
It's a nice experience. It's a great job done. Long shoot, 4 months completely. Very beautiful guys, great team. So the team is pretty good. I'm really happy with the team, especially the director. Tahir is my favorite, and yeah. So the reason why people sweat on the set is me, and that is the reason why Tahir loves me even more.
Yeah, I mean, it's been such a long shoot that now to remember everything is going to be really difficult. But, there are certain scenes that will crack you up. I mean, we've shot in hospitals and in morgues in the middle of the night. And between all of that, somewhere you need to find, the funny things or the lighter side of life to look at.
418 Soumya's Wild Up. Take 1, action.
चल आगे चल.
Take 2.
चल आगे. आगे चल.
अब घर चल.
अब घर चल.
Anyone for pizza? 6 days old.
ये चीज डिपार्टमेंट बाहर का नहीं है।
Ladies and gentlemen, very important day of shoot, last day of the sketch, but not the least. As you can see, we're in the middle of Lal Bagh again.
And finally, it's a pack up early.
Woo!
और अगला गाना भाई और बहनों,
Yo, rapper Maddie in the house, Maddie with the
इसके बोल लिखे गए हैं दुबे जी के साथ और साथ में लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल का संगीत। ये गाना आपकी जिंदगी को 100 बना
बंदगी मेरी डांस हर खुशी मेरी डांस बेखुदी मेरी डांस
Yes, he's turning 40. 50. Today I'm bringing your
Yes. Fats or whatever.